Your car should be protecting you, helping you, and saving you money, not holding you back. Welcome to Tools Inspector, where we test the smartest car gadgets you can actually use. Before we start, hit like and subscribe if you love smart upgrades that make driving easier and safer. Let's jump into it. Number 1. Keep Car Alarm 4G LTE Smart Anti-Theft System. This gadget turns your car into a guarded vault. The Keep Car Alarm isn't just noise. It's full security surveillance with 4G LTE, GPS tracking, and motion sensors that detect threats instantly. It captures 1080p photos and videos the moment movement is detected and sends alerts straight to your phone. A 120 dB siren and flashing LED scare intruders before they can act. If someone even touches your car, you'll know before they can escape. Number 2. Heads-up display for cars HUD. This gadget keeps your focus exactly where it should be. The HUD projects your speed directly onto the windshield, so your eyes never leave the road. Automatic brightness adjustment keeps it clear day or night, while built-in speeding alerts help you avoid tickets without thinking about it. It's simple plug-and-play tech that instantly makes any car feel modern. Once installed, driving feels safer and more controlled. Number 3. WEIZE Heavy-Duty Roof Rack Cargo Basket. Running out of space ends here. This heavy-duty steel roof rack holds up to 200 pounds and includes a waterproof cargo bag for secure storage. It's perfect for road trips, camping gear, or oversized luggage that won't fit inside your car. By moving cargo to the roof, it keeps your interior clutter-free and comfortable. Built tough for SUVs, it's made for long-distance travel and rough conditions. Number 4. APPS 2-Car Heavy-Duty Tablet Holder. If your tablet shakes, slips, or falls, this fixes it permanently. The APPS 2-Car holder uses an extra-large vacuum suction cup and a reinforced metal arm for zero movement. Designed for trucks, pickups, and long drives, it stays stable even on rough roads. It's perfect for navigation, entertainment, or work on the road. Once mounted, it feels rock solid and professional. This holder turns your tablet into a built-in screen instead of a loose accessory. Number 5. Slime Smart Spair Flat Tire Repair Kit. Flat tires never come a good time. This kit seals, punctures, and reinflates your tire in about 15 minutes without removing the wheel. There's no jack, no tire change, and no roadside stress involved. It's safe for highway vehicles and incredibly easy to use. A true emergency lifesaver that belongs in every trunk. It gets you back on the road before help even arrives. Number 6. Super Safe Jump Starter. This is emergency preparedness done right. It jumpstarts engines up to 6.0 L gas and 4.0 L diesel instantly, even when your battery is completely dead. The built-in tools include a seatbelt cutter, window breaker, SOS alarm, and flashlight. One device replaces multiple emergency tools in your car. Perfect for breakdowns, accidents, and night emergencies. This is the one tool you'll be glad you packed when things go wrong. Number 7. Nmoiss Windshield Sun Shade Umbrella. This stops extreme heat before it starts. The umbrella-style sun shade blocks UV rays using a vinyl heat shield coating that reflects sunlight away. It opens and closes in seconds and stores easily when not in use. By protecting dashboards, seats, and electronics, it prevents interior damage. Your car stays noticeably cooler every single day. It feels like parking your car in the shade everywhere you go. Number 8. BMK 200W Car Power Inverter. This turns your car into a charging hub. The BMK inverter converts 12V car power into 110V AC electricity for everyday electronics. It includes USB, QC 3.0, and Type-C ports for fast charging multiple devices. Perfect for laptops, phones, and travel gear on the go. It's ideal for road trips, work, and emergency power needs. Your car becomes a mobile power station anytime, anywhere. Number 9. Permatex Windshield Repair Kit. Small cracks become expensive fast. This kit permanently repairs chips and cracks using an airtight sealing system that stops spreading damage. No professional tools or experience are required to use it. The repair takes just minutes and strengthens the glass. It can save you hundreds in windshield replacement costs. Fix the damage now before a tiny chip turns into a full crack. Number 10. XTREME STP Emergency LED Road Flares. Visibility can save your life. These LED flares are visible from up to a mile away, making you easy to spot in emergencies. They offer multiple modes including flashing red, solid red, and white flashlight. A magnetic base sticks directly to your car for hands-free use. Much safer and longer-lasting than traditional flares. They keep you visible when it matters most. Number 11. Xprite RGB LED Interior Light Kit. This instantly upgrades your car's vibe. The RGB LED strips sync with music and are controlled through an app or remote. You can customize colors, brightness, and lighting effects to match your mood. Clean installation under the dash and seats keeps everything hidden. Perfect for night driving and interior styling. It makes your interior feel custom-built, not factory stock. Number 12. Hanging car door cup holder and organizer. This solves daily driving frustration instantly. It adds a stable cup holder along with storage for coins and small items. The design fits most car doors without tools or drilling. Drinks stay secure and essentials stay organized. Simple idea, massive everyday convenience. Once you install it, you'll wonder why cars don't come with this. Number 13. This is full driving protection. It records crystal clear 4K video from both the front and rear using Sony Starvis 2 night vision. AI motion detection, parking monitoring, and ADAS features add extra safety. With 4G LTE and voice control, it works even when you're away. If anything happens, everything is recorded. This is your silent witness on every drive. Number 14. All-Fit Automotive Rim Trim Protector. While damage is expensive, this prevents it. The flexible rim trim protects up to 4 wheels from curb rash and scratches. It installs easily as a DIY upgrade and stays firmly in place. The design blends cleanly with your wheels. A low-cost upgrade that protects expensive rims. A small investment that saves big repair bills. Number 15. PULIDIKI Car Cleaning Gel Putty. This cleans what cloths can't reach. The gel pulls dust from vents, buttons, cup holders, and tight spaces instantly. It's reusable and completely safe for all car interiors. Perfect for dashboards, consoles, and air vents. Once you try it, you'll never clean your car the same way again. It removes dirt you didn't even know was there. If you love smart car gadgets that actually make driving better, this video was made for you. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because the next video gets even crazier.